My name is Armin Werner. I'm responsible for MIWE's business unit Shop Baking. And this is my colleague, Mr. Marc Stober, who is responsible at MIWE for the business unit Baking Processing Plants. MIWE is a German-based company offering products and solutions for all climatizing processes in the baking business. We are proud of presenting products and solutions in the area of freezing, cooling, baking, heating, and a couple of more. Also, we are offering energy-saving solutions, which are nowadays very important for our business. One of our major innovations this year is our completely new rack oven, the MIWE Orbit, in a way that it combines easy-to-use handling, perfect product results, and a robust and durable design. And MIWE is offering solutions and services worldwide. Wherever you are, we are there to support you.
We want to advise our customers objectively and without prejudice. That's why we don't have just one oven technology on offer, but master the entire range of technologies available today at the highest level. Whether rack, deck or tunnel oven, whether flue gas or thermal oil, MIWE is the right partner for you. We are equally at home in production and in the outlet and offer the complete range of snack systems, always keeping in mind that hygiene is a top priority in baking. We also have a broad range of transport systems on offer that ensure the right flow in the bakehouse, from the simple loading aid to high-performance loading systems, energy concepts, software solutions and smart, modern approaches to bakery planning round of the range of services. MIWE, better baking, better business.